What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I have a special guest here with me, my husband. Today we're gonna be doing some cooking. I never did cooking on my channel, so I'm so excited. Y'all don't know how I get down in the kitchen. Y'all find out today. Today we're gonna be making some fried hot flaming Cheetos chicken. Now I know you guys seen this all around YouTube, and we're not really big on spicy food, but it looks so good when I've been watching all the YouTube videos. I just want to try it. We always eat, what do we always eat? Barbecue chicken?
But we forgot one thing.
What?
Water.
For what?
To drink, because it's going to be hot.
Oh, we got water, babe. We got water in the refrigerator. So yeah, we always eat like honey barbecue chicken or like tomato basil, like the little seasoned packings or whatever. So today we're going to switch it up a little bit and we're going to see about this. So we got the chicken. We went to the store already and we bought it. So babe is going to go ahead and start washing the chicken because I hate touching chicken. I just got my nails done, so I don't want to mess them up. Go ahead, babe. Show me how you do it.
Always probably use cold water.
Always use cold water. And then we put some salt into the chicken wings, because then when you put salt into your chicken or lemon juice, it kills, like, it sucks out the blood. Just so you know.
Yeah, it shakes out the germs, you know, but
the chicken basically is washed because we let it sit early and it already defrosted, but I don't know about y'all. I have OCD when it comes to my meats. I'm very particular. So we got to make sure we get all the grime, the grit, the hair, whatever it is on it off. I hope I can actually go through with this because we don't eat hot food, babe.
No, we don't.
We don't eat hot food at all.
Because we value our stomachs.
Yeah. And we cannot. I don't know. I be watching some videos and I don't know how people eat, like, do those spicy noodle challenges. I can't even imagine. Alright, so now we got the chicken all nice and clean. We're going to get to the spices, because that's the key to having banging chicken. If you know, like, you know, you're going to have your Lowry seasoning salt. We keep it real basic, though. We don't do anything too much. Then you got to go in ahead with the garlic powder, right? Then we're just going to go in with some more and salt.
Yeah, don't get the store brand.
We just
get the real brand.
We just don't do that, yeah. Some people add peppers and all that extra stuff, but we don't do all of that. We just keep it real simple, because then we're going to go ahead with the spicy chips, and we don't want to do too much.
Too much is going to mess up the taste.
So boom, we're going to start off with the Lowry's. It's all in the rotation of the wrist. The flick of the wrist, if you don't do it right, it's not going to come out right. It's all in the wrist. So we're going to go like this. And you're just going to sprinkle dingle. You're going to do it on both sides. I don't know what's wrong with the season, so it ain't trying to come out. These are the wiggets. These are the small ones. We didn't get like the legs, because we don't like legs. We like the little wiggets.
Plus we got kids. So
yeah.
They got little fingers.
Alright, then we're going to go ahead and go in with the garlic powder.
Boom.
You don't want to put too much garlic powder, because garlic powder can be...
Tap.
Yeah, I'm real careful with the garlic powder, because...
Even though it's good for your heart.
Yeah, but sometimes it's too garlicky, and I don't like that.
This is true.
You got to do just right. Boom. Then I'm going to go ahead and go in with some Morton salt, just a little bit.
Morton.
And you got to be careful with this, too.
That's the problem.
It wind up with hypertension. Ain't nobody got time for that. Alright, you want to flip it over, babe? You want to flip the chicken over? Let the season marinate. You know, you got to really mix it in to make sure that your seasoning is in there. Normally, if you want some real good chicken, you would let your chicken marinate the day before. Yep. And that's what really gets the seasoning. But leave it at a slow.
You gotta leave it at a slow simmer.
Right. Alright, we're going to season the other side. I don't know what's wrong with this. It's not coming out.
Lowry, you got work for us.
I don't want to put too much.
No, you good. Here we go.
You should be doing this. No, but it's alright. You touching the meat, because I don't like doing all of that. I'll go in with the garlic and just repeat.
Tap, tap, tap.
And normally, if I would just be making regular fried chicken, I would use Sazon. And we like Sazon because it gives the chicken a nice brown, golden, look, and it also...
It tastes good.
It tastes good.
Very good.
Nice seasoning. So we're gonna just mix that up. Look at the rotation in the wrist. Look at that. Go ahead. I see you, baby. I see you.
You gotta whip it.
I see you.
You gotta whip it. You gotta whip it. Look at that. You hear that? Thankfully.
Boom. So, as he's doing that, mixing it up, making sure it's all good, I'm gonna go ahead and get my canola oil.
Canola, not
We
vegetable.
got the big boy on deck. And we're going to start heating this up because you need to make sure that your heat is nice and hot before you put the chicken in the grease.
Oh, please.
So we're going to turn the stove on number 5. Or number 4, number 5. I'm going to pour some oil in.
I'm listening for the sound. There you go.
It ain't crackled yet. It ain't go in yet. You gotta wait till it heats up. Let the grease heat up and then I'm gonna get the flour ready and then we're gonna drop it in once it's nice and hot. The flour, and we're gonna pour it. I ran out of Ziploc bags, y'all, so we just gonna improvise.
But that's an easy way of doing it. This is
It's
the old
easier.
school way.
Yeah, we're gonna, oh, I think I just put too much. Come on now. So boom, you put the flour on the plate. I messed up because
It's a little much.
but it's all right. We got to coat the chicken. Once the chicken grease gets hot, I'm gonna go ahead. Well, babe's gonna go ahead and he's gonna transfer the chicken into the flour, and we're gonna drop that in, and we're gonna let that bad boy cook. So while that's cooking, then we're gonna set up our Cheetos.
Little area.
I'm nervous though.
Why?
Because we don't eat spicy food, and you know I'm not good on spice. Like I really don't eat spicy foods. Even like Jamaican beef patties sometimes burn my mouth.
Now that's why you gotta have it with the cocoa bread.
Yeah, I never had it that way.
Right? You gotta have it with the cocoa bread.
So now we're gonna go ahead and take these Cheetos and dump them in.
Tell them.
No, let me smell it.
Let me smell it.
It doesn't smell that
Let
bad.
me get one.
Here. How was it? Is it good? Spicy, babe?
Not yet.
Not yet? Alright, so we're gonna take, I don't think we even need this
that's
whole
good.
bag. It is?
Yeah, that shouldn't be too bad.
You say that now.
Yeah, I know, right?
Matter of fact, we gotta put it in the blender.
What?
Yeah, babe, we gotta put it in
You put it in the blender.
Babe, a
Oh, it used to
blender.
be like that?
Yeah.
What, you use the bullet?
We gotta use the bullet. Alright, so we're gonna take some of these Cheetos and put it in the blender because I don't have time to sit here and mash it all
You
up.
can't put too much.
Yeah, we're not gonna put too much. But let's see, this should get the top. Oh, not ready yet. Alright, let's do it.
Wishbone.
Wishbone, baby. You hear that grease popping? We getting ready, we getting ready. Oh yeah. It's about to go down.
Oh, it's happening.
It's happening. We're not ready. Alright. You can start putting the chicken with the flour, twist it, flip it around. And then you could drop that baby in there. Go ahead, babe. Show them how you do it.
You gotta flip it, roll it.
What else?
You know what? Like a pita roll.
I see you.
You gotta make sure it's shaked out, you know.
Hey.
Ah.
We're gonna let this chicken cook. I'm so excited, I'm mad hungry. We didn't eat on purpose just so we could try this. So this chicken better not disappoint us.
Yeah, because I'm gonna have to find something else.
Yeah. We have our mindset on eating this flaming hot Cheetos chicken. So
Some water.
we're gonna let this cook. Y'all see that chicken? It's about that time, baby. Think it's ready to come out?
Flaming hot, yes.
Oh yes, it's nice and golden brown just like we like it. So babe's gonna take the chicken out and we're gonna go ahead and put the ranch with the chips on and see how it works.
Flaming hot. That's fire.
Go ahead, babe.
Oh,
It's popping.
It's popping.
It's ready to come out.
it's popping.
Be careful.
End up with a blister bubble on my lip.
You stupid.
Like that.
The first batch of chicken is done, so we're about to go ahead and see what all of this hype is about. I'm about to eat the chicken just like this. Take it,
Roll it.
roll it, roll it, roll it.
Mark it with an F.
Then we gonna roll it. Boom.
Oh my god.
It looks so good.
Why didn't you do stuff like this when we was kids?
I don't know. We about to see about this. This looks so good. It better be good. I don't know if I'll be able to take it because you know me and hot don't work, but the ranch should help it.
Just gonna have to try a little taste.
Yeah, we'll see.
A little taste.
It's looking real right, y'all. You ready to try it, babe? Is you ready?
A little stressed out, but yeah.
Oh my God. Let me get my drink. Cause I told y'all I can't do hot stuff. I'm gonna be real mad if I can't eat this. But I'm hungry, so.
But you might be able to.
I don't even know. Let's
Ready?
go.
You close your eyes for this one?
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Mmm.
What's that?
Banging. Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
It ain't hot at all. You know what cools it down?
Mmm.
The ranch.
It's the ranch that's doing it.
It's cooling down.
Mm-hmm. Oh. And then I taste my. Wait, hold up. Oh, boo. Oh, shit.
But it wasn't that snapping.
My eyes is watering a little bit.
Flaming hot.
Mmm. But it has like a really good taste. Mm-hmm. Mmm.
I'm not doing this because it's hot. I'm doing it because I'm parched.
This is banging. This is busting, y'all.
Not bad.
It's
I thought it was
good.
gonna be a lot worse, but
Me too. It has like a zesty, like spicy taste, but it's not unbearable. Like
nah,
you
it's
can't.
fake spicy. It's
Right,
like
right.
really spicy. Cleaning the sinuses a little bit.
That's what I'm saying. My eyes, like when you first eat it, it's like,
Maybe
alright.
it's the after effect.
It's the after effect because my eyes, I feel like they're watering, but it's good.
Yeah.
Mmm. Hold up. You not feeling it?
And now maybe it spoke too soon.
Your mouth is burning, baby? My eyes are like watering.
Yeah.
It's good though.
I can breathe clear now.
Listen, we ain't wasting no food up in here. We gonna eat this chicken.
Nah, we're gonna need this for cold season.
True. It'll open up your sinuses for real.
Mouth ain't hot.
Hold up.
About to make your natural treasures pop out.
It's good though.
This wouldn't even save me right here.
I don't know how most people even eat anything hotter than this, but if you guys enjoy watching us cook in the kitchen and you want to see more, how many likes should they give us?
100?
100 likes and we'll do another video. No, hold on. I don't think about it. 100 likes and we'll drop another video for y'all, another cooking video. If you guys have any ideas what you want us to cook, comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.
Do that.
Hit that post notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. And we out of here.